Ratio at present. Good morning, students. Today we'll solve some of the practical questions of CVP analysis. Now let us start with this question. In this question, sales is given to us 1,50,000, fixed cost 45,000, profit 15,000. You have to calculate PV ratio at present. PV ratio if selling prices increase by 10%, PV ratio if selling prices decrease by 20%. So PV ratio, you all know the formula for calculating PV ratio is contribution upon sales into 100. For this contribution, sales minus variable cost is the formula. Here variable cost is missing in the question. Now first of all you have to calculate variable cost. For calculating variable cost, you know formula for contribution is sales minus variable cost or fixed cost plus profit. We'll equate these two equations and we'll get variable cost. By substituting values in this equation, the variable cost comes out to be rupees 90,000. PV ratio, contribution upon sales into 100. Here sales figure is 1,50,000. Variable cost 90,000, sales 150 into 100, 40% is the PV ratio at present. Now you have to calculate PV ratio if selling price is increased by 10%. You are increasing selling price by 10%. That means 1,50,000 was the old selling price and you are increasing it by 10%. So the new selling price would be 1,65,000. Substitute the values in this equation. PV ratio, contribution upon sales into 100. Contribution is sales minus variable cost. Sales is 165. Variable cost is 90. Sales is 1,65,000. So the new PV ratio is 45.45%. Now the calculation of PV ratio if selling price is decreased by 20%. Decreased by 20% means the old selling price was 1,50,000. Now you decrease it by 20%. So the new selling price would be 1,20,000. So the PV ratio would be sales 120, variable cost 90, sales 120. The new PV ratio comes out to be 25%. I have made myself clear in this question. Now let us start with another question. In this question, it is written a manufacturer produces one identical product. The following data is available for 2 years. You have to calculate PV ratio, BEP, that is break-even point, and margin of safety. So in this 2 years data is given to you and you have to calculate these three ratios. First of all, you know the sales by how do we get profit? We'll get profit by when you'll get sales, you'll subtract variable cost, you'll get contribution. Contribution minus fixed cost is profit. All right. So in PV ratio is calculated by sales minus variable cost upon sales into 100. So sales is 150. Variable cost is 75, sales 150, so you'll get PV ratio 50%. In the same way, for the year 2014, sales is 1,80,000, variable cost 97,500, sales 180 into 100, so this is the PV ratio. Next, you have to calculate break-even point. For calculating break-even point, the formula is fixed cost upon PV ratio. Fixed cost is 45,000. PV ratio we have calculated 50%. The BEP is rupees 90,000. Now, for the same for 2014, 60,000 was the fixed cost in 2014. PV ratio comes out to be 45.83%. So the BEP value is rupees 1,30,920. Now, margin of safety we have to calculate. For calculating margin of safety, the formula is profit upon PV ratio. Profit we have already calculated earlier. How do we calculate profit? Sales minus variable cost, that is contribution. Contribution minus fixed cost is profit. So profit comes out to be 30,000 in 2013, 22,500 in 2014. So substituting the values, profit is 30,000 upon PV ratio 50%. The margin of safety is 60,000. In the same way, for the year 2000, profit comes out to be 22,500. PV ratio is 45.83%. Margin of safety is rupees 49,095. So these are the basic questions of CVP analysis. I hope you have understood this topic, and for any queries you can comment.